Welcome. Today's our topic is the peripheral nervous system. So let's learn. The peripheral nervous system, PNS, is an integral part of the human nervous system, responsible for carrying messages between the central nervous system, CNS, and the rest of the body. The PNS comprises all the nerves that extend out from the brain and spinal cord to the various organs, tissues, and cells of the body. The PNS is divided into two main components: the somatic nervous system, SNS, and the autonomic nervous system, ANS. The SNS controls voluntary muscle movements and is responsible for transmitting sensory information to the CNS from the skin, muscles, and joints. The ANS, on the other hand, controls the involuntary actions of the body, such as the functioning of the heart, digestion, and breathing. The ANS is further divided into two subsystems: the sympathetic nervous system, SNS, and the parasympathetic nervous system, PNS. The SNS prepares the body for action, causing the heart to beat faster, the pupils to dilate, and the blood vessels to constrict, among other physiological changes, while the PNS counters these effects by slowing down the heart rate, stimulating digestion, and relaxing muscles. The PNS also contains sensory receptors, which respond to various stimuli, such as touch, pressure, pain, temperature, and changes in the environment. These sensory receptors are located throughout the body and send signals through the PNS to the CNS, which then processes and interprets the information. Additionally, the PNS includes motor neurons that transmit messages from the CNS to the muscles, allowing for movement and coordinated action. These motor neurons are responsible for contracting muscles and controlling various bodily functions, such as breathing, blinking, and swallowing. Overall, the PNS plays a vital role in allowing the body to interact with the environment and maintain homeostasis. It allows for the transmission of sensory information, motor commands, and involuntary actions, enabling the body to respond to external and internal stimuli effectively. Without the PNS, the body would not be able to function properly, highlighting the crucial importance of this component of the nervous system. The PNS is essential for carrying out various bodily functions, including movement, sensation, and communication between different parts of the body. The peripheral nerves that make up the PNS are classified based on their location and function, with the different types of nerves serving different purposes. Cranial nerves, for instance, are nerves that emerge directly from the brain and are responsible for transmitting sensory and motor information to and from the face, neck, and head. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, each with a specific function, such as vision, hearing, taste, and smell. Spinal nerves, on the other hand, are nerves that arise from the spinal cord and transmit sensory and motor information to and from the rest of the body. These nerves are grouped into 31 pairs, with each pair corresponding to a specific region of the body. The PNS can also be affected by various diseases and disorders, such as peripheral neuropathy, which causes damage to the nerves, leading to numbness, tingling, and weakness in the affected areas. Other disorders that affect the PNS include Guillain-Barré syndrome, which causes inflammation of the nerves, and Charcot-Marie tooth disease, which is a genetic disorder that affects the peripheral nerve's myelin sheath. In conclusion, the peripheral nervous system is a critical component of the human nervous system, responsible for transmitting messages between the CNS and the rest of the body. Its functions include sensation, movement, and involuntary actions, which are essential for maintaining bodily functions and responding to stimuli effectively. Understanding the PNS and its various components is crucial for diagnosing and treating diseases and disorders that affect this part of the nervous system. The PNS is a complex system that consists of various types of nerves and sensory receptors, each with its specific function. For example, there are mechanoreceptors that respond to mechanical stimuli, such as pressure and touch, and thermoreceptors that respond to temperature changes. There are also nociceptors that detect painful stimuli and chemoreceptors that detect chemical changes in the body. The PNS also plays a crucial role in regulating the body's immune response. It contains immune cells called lymphocytes, which are responsible for fighting infections and diseases. These lymphocytes are transported throughout the body via the peripheral nerves, allowing for a rapid immune response to any foreign substances that may enter the body. Furthermore, The PNS is highly adaptable and can undergo changes in response to various stimuli, such as exercise and injury. For instance, regular exercise can increase the number of blood vessels and nerves that supply the muscles, improving their strength and endurance. In contrast, injury to the peripheral nerves can cause various symptoms, such as pain, numbness, and muscle weakness, depending on the extent and location of the damage. In addition to its physiological functions, the PNS also plays a crucial role in the body's emotional and mental well-being. The vagus nerve, a major component of the ANS, is responsible for regulating various bodily functions, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and digestion, and is also linked to mood and emotional regulation. The stimulation of the vagus nerve has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety levels and improve mood and cognitive function. In summary, the peripheral nervous system is a complex and adaptable system that plays a vital role in maintaining the body's physiological functions, immune response, and emotional well-being. Its various components and functions are interconnected, allowing for coordinated actions and responses to various stimuli. Understanding the PNS and its role. This was about peripheral nervous system. For such further videos, join with us.